Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get started with Substack Chat. First, log into your account. Then, on the left panel, you can go to your chat section. Here, you'll see a message that says click here to start your subscriber chat. So go and click on it. Now, click on Enable Chat. Here, toggle your Enable Subscriber Chat. And once done, you can now go back to your Substack and refresh it. Here, you can now go and start a new thread and write something to send it to your subscriber. You can also go ahead and click on these three buttons if you want to edit it or if you'd like to delete it. Substack Chat is a built-in community feature that lets you connect directly with your subscribers in real time. Think of it as a group chat inside your Substack app where you can share updates, start discussions, and build a stronger connection with your readers. Now, subscribers can join in, react, and comment just like in messaging app, which makes it a more casual and interactive space compared to your regular newsletter. You can use it to share behind-the-scene updates, ask for feedback, or even host live discussions. And that's just basically it. That's how you get started with your Substack chat. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.